So we're doing this very small job. It's a insulation job above a garage, and it wasn't on the ticket, but I noticed that there weren't any baffles installed. Baffles are super important. They maintain airflow into the attic and also keep the insulation from falling into the soffits. So we have to install that. That's just almost like not doing the job properly, and it's just not the way that we do business. So we're going to install those for the customer. Okay, so the baffles are in and I feel much better. We just don't feel good unless we've done right by the job and by the homeowner. Now, if specifically was told not to do something, obviously that's what we would do, but things that will severely harm the home or just make the job unprofessional, we just don't feel good about that. Yeah. All right. And there is a final job, something that we're proud of. We try to really deliver excellence in everything we do because it speaks for who we are, and it also helps the homeowner, and that's kind of why we're in this. We enjoy what we do. We appreciate you watching this video.